Hi, this is Kara from Kara & Co Creative, and if you're new to me in the channel, I do both DIY and done-for-you websites and all manner of online business systems. And of course, here on YouTube, I'm helping you more with the DIY piece. I'm going to continue talking about Kit today, and this is how to integrate Kit with a Divi WordPress website. So if you want your Kit form to connect with your Divi forms on your website, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'll take you over my shoulder and over to a website. So I'm actually doing this in real time. So one of the nice features about Divi, similar to Squarespace, they do have sort of nicely styled email opt-in forms, or you have the ability to do that on your website. The nice thing about Divi is that they integrate with a lot of different email providers. So to start out, if you don't already have an email form on your website, you would do this by hitting the plus sign anywhere where you want to have it and selecting email opt-in. So that will show something like this, and you will go ahead and style that. I'm going to go ahead and delete that one because I already have this one going. So if you go to the settings, this is where you would add the title. You can change the text on the button, and then you can add in some extra content here like I have. Where you would connect your Kit/ConvertKit account is here under email account. And I just sort of skipped a step here, so cancel. So when you're here, select service provider, you would select ConvertKit from the list. It hasn't updated to Kit here in Divi. You'll see there's lots of other options. If your form had two fields like this or was sort of styled nicely and then it became not styled nicely when you selected ConvertKit, I will show you how to fix that in a minute. But first, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we can get the list that we want in here. So these are not from my account. These are sort of saved in here. If you're brand new to this and you have not done anything on your website yet, you likely don't have any lists in here at all. So we're going to go ahead and add the ConvertKit account. To do that, we're going to fill out these fields. Account name can be anything that you want it to be. I'm going to name it the True Business Podcast. And here we have to grab the API keys over from Kit. So we'll hop over into Kit. And there is the API key section here. You get to that from the name. Select your name, whatever that is, up here in the top right. Go to settings. And then from settings, you're going to hit developer. You'll see API right here. And what we want is the V3 keys. You probably won't have anything listed under the V4 keys. In V3, we'll go ahead and copy the regular API key and pop that in. And the API secret, show and copy. I'll be honest, I'm not sure why I'm not supposed to share this with you, but I'm not too worried about it. Go ahead and submit. You may want to go ahead and hit fetch lists after doing this and then see what's in here. If this is happening to you and nothing's showing, you're going to need to clear your cache. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can do this from your browser under history, clear history. It's also sometimes helpful to do it from the website. So if you have SiteGround, you might have a purge SG cache button up here. Otherwise, you will have to go into your hosting provider to do it. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Hopefully, this didn't happen for you and you were all set, but if not, those are the steps. All right, quickly, just a second note. If the issue is not your cache and you're not seeing a list show up when you go into this drop-down form, so if either no list appears here, or if nothing appears when you go into this section, if nothing appears here after you add your API keys, or if the account shows but no lists, the next thing you can do if you've cleared the cache is go ahead and create a form in Kit. So to do that, you're going to go over to the Grow tab, Landing Pages and Forms, and create a form here. And that's what people are going to subscribe to when they add onto the website. Here I have this listed as test. You can rename this at any time. Something that you might want to call it is a website sign up form. And you don't have to worry about the design of this because we're going to be using the form on the website. This is just creating something for the two accounts to talk to. So if you do this and go ahead and clear your cache again and retry with the API keys, you should go ahead and see this, whatever name you've put here, show up as the list when you are in this. All right, so I just wanted to add that because that is one other troubleshooting tip for making sure that this connection is working. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna come back in here, go down to my form, go down to my email things, and select a list. And here, I'm gonna see here I do have Truer Business down here. I'm gonna go ahead and say, yes, that's all set. And then now if you do have this wonky little feature here, this is because Kit takes the first name, it doesn't take the full name in 2 fields. That's why it does this. All we have to do is go over to the design, layout, first name, full width. And now this is back the way we want it to look. All right, so hopefully this helped you out. If you have any questions, you can always put those in the comments or contact me. Notes are below. All right, thank you.